A warm welcome to all of you. Today in the Wazwan series, I'm going to show you how Palak Rista is made in Wazwan. This video has been made with the help of local chefs or wazas. Ristas are pounded meat into balls. Palak Rista is a delicious variety in Kashmiri multi-course meal Wazwan. In this variety, the ristas are smaller in size than usual ristas. Kashmiri Wazwan is cooked on slow burning wood by trained chefs or wazas. So let's get started. For making ristas, they have taken boneless meat. Here you can see, and in Kashmir, meat with fat is preferred. Now they will start pounding it. Here you can see it's pounded on specifically carved flat stone and wooden mallet. First he will take one chunk of meat and then he will add other pieces one by one. Wazwan is an art in itself, and almost everything is done manually till date. It's cooked in copper vessels over simmering fire of wood that retains its taste and uniqueness. They keep pounding it till it's totally soft, like a dough. Salt is added, and then he will be adding a big chunk of fat, and they will keep pounding it till it's totally soft and mixed well, till the fat gets properly mixed with it. And when it's fully pounded, it becomes soft. The spices they are adding here are cumin seeds and black cardamom pods and salt that I have already shown you. And they keep pounding it and moistening it with a sprinkle of water, and they will keep removing veins or granular things if they find anything. Here you can see it's turning very soft. Here now they will keep it refrigerated for a while so that it binds properly like this. Now they will keep it in refrigeration. Now moving to palak or spinach. First they wash palak or spinach with warm water, then in the cold water. Now they will squeeze all the water out of it, and then they will chop it roughly. Here you can see now they will chop it. Now in a copper vessel they have taken oil and added chopped spinach and put it on the flame. They will fry it properly. It takes a while. Then they will be adding few green cardamoms, cinnamon stick, few cloves, and a big tablespoon of cumin seeds and fennel seed powder. Then they will mix it and let it cook for a while, and then they will be adding chili powder, turmeric powder and salt and a few tablespoons of water so that it won't burn because it's still cooking on the flame. In Wazwan, all the varieties are being cooked simultaneously. Now going back to ristas. Now they have taken out the pounded meat and they will add egg to it, and here you can see they are mixing it with soft strokes. They will mix it and pound it a little bit. Then it will be shaped into round balls or ristas. Now they are pounding it and mixing egg properly. Once the meat is mixed properly and pounded properly, they will shape it into small balls, or I can say mini ristas. So here you can see how they are rolling it on the wooden log. Because it has to get a proper shape, proper round shape. Rolled on the wooden log, then they will roll it on their hands also, here like this, and they will keep moistening their hands. Here you can see how they are rolling it into a mini rista, and this is the size of rista for spinach. And now they have dunked it in the water. Now these ristas will go in the cooking spinach that's still on the flame. Now here you can see they are being added to cooking spinach. And they have added enough mutton stock so that it will get cooked properly. Here they are showing. Now they will keep it cooking till most of its gravy is absorbed and oil is visible on the surface. Now here you can see they have taken it off the flame and it's cooked, and you can see all the color of all the spices and oil is visible. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and do remember us in your prayers. Thank you.